And here we are, we're in another gallery where we've got lots of cool stuff from the collection. Cool couch seat. A couple old weigh scales, and some cool trash cans, Coke coolers, Coke lamps. Nice little Coke fridge. Ice box from the 1950s. Royal cooler. Royal Crown. Some cool stuff. We even have a collection of chickens. Like I said, there's a lot of really neat stuff. Like there's my poker set, chips and all, and cards, and fire alarm box, and cookie jars, and bread boxes, and just all sorts of memorabilia. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff. Old can collection, videotapes, bubblegum machine, some 1950s refrigerators done up, a nice box. We get into some toys, you know, and there's like some just the trailers or trucks and odds and sods, and collection of trophies. So this is another room that got some really cool stuff. Sorry about the lighting, but excuse me. Yeah. And then we'll go into the antique room.